Tina, what do you think you're doing?
Hey, Anna. Nothing.
That's my Inkybox subscription.
No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's your subscription today. Go ahead, Anna. Take it away. I'm used to it. She's mine.
I mean, come on now.
I'm sorry. You know how excited I get when I see these things?
Some people, my goodness.
Sorry.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Tina.
And you're watching Folded, Creased, and Crumpled. And today we have an Inkybox subscription, which I am very excited about. Because normally it's Tina who does these unboxings. But today it's mine.
That's why I had that confusion.
Okay. Right. That's what it is. Tina, I'm excited. So what's inside the Inkybox for May? Zig Clean Color Dot markers. I wanted to buy those. So excited.
No, don't look. That's cheating.
Okay.
Don't look,
Okay.
Anna.
Sorry.
You gotta surprise yourself.
Okay. All right.
Oh my god, I'm super jealous right now.
Did you hear that? Tina is jealous of my subscription box. Oh man. Okay. Ooh, I've never even seen these. Okay, I see that there's paper, so let's start with that, so that maybe it's something we can test on.
You see, she's all excited.
So I am so excited. Oh, okay, I can't write on these. I'm gonna have to grab. So right out of the gate, we got 2 cards, right hand lettering, and it's right as in WRITE. Create your own adventure, and it's blank inside, and it's got the beautiful craft paper style envelope. Wah, wah. Tina, I'll pass it to you so you can see. There we go. Sharing is caring.
Whatever.
Oh, Tina, I love you and I like you.
Aww.
And this is from Harp and Crow, Julie Melizia, which is at harp_and_crow. So again, it's another blank inside, and let's see if you can, hopefully it's not blurry. Actually, I should have done for that card as well, instead of reading the name horribly and butchering it. Oh my god, that's actually perfect.
Look at me. Talent.
There you go. So those are 2 very cool cards.
Yeah, because, I love cards.
Ooh.
Nice.
Okay. May I please have my notebook?
Here you
Thank
are.
you. You're such a great assistant, Tina.
If people can see, I'm rolling my eyes.
All right, so I got out my Rhodia dot notebook to test out these pens. So we have 2 of these ones, and the brand is Stabilo Point Visco Fine 0.5. Oh, Tina's making faces. Does that mean you don't like them?
Not number 1 fan for these pens, but
I have never tried these pens. So one is green, one is black. I wonder if that means that it's the color of the pen. Oh, guys, it's a green pen. So, and it flows beautifully.
Does it?
It really does. You can test it. I'll write the other one.
Oh, it does. Oh, it's very vibrant, the color.
It's
Very,
actually
very
the
vibrant.
same color as my Rhodia.
Oh. What's the size? Pen size?
0.5.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Is that the one you like, Tina?
Yeah. Is it a felt?
It
tip?
is not a felt tip pen.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm not as experienced as Tina, so I will show you the tip now.
Oh, that looks nice. That's a nice tip. It is.
I'm just doing a little scribbles there now.
You let her do a featured unboxing one time.
It goes straight to my head.
I know.
All right, I think you're going to like these pens, Tina.
Okay.
So next, we have, here, I'll give you a Post-it for now.
I get a Post-it. She gets a notepad. I mean, a notebook.
People, we have Aqua Pen Graphics.
Oh,
Watercolor felt tip pen. Tina, I know I'm right. I know what you like.
I think
I'm usually on the other end of this camera. So we got 2 colors. Again, I'm going to assume it's the same color as the cap.
Ooh,
So a
that's
blue
cool.
and a
I've never
black.
seen that before.
So it looks like it's a dual. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There we go. It's a dual-sided tip. So one is brush and one is fine.
Girl, your brush lettering is improving.
It has. It's gotten a lot better.
It looks so good.
Still doesn't compare to yours. But
You know me.
I will show the camera in a moment. And it's not perfect, and I'm going to show you anyway. So it is the blue color.
That's pretty.
It is really pretty.
They're very vibrant, the colors that you have. They're not the faded or, you know.
They're not, they're saturated.
Very saturated, but not overly saturated. Because then it becomes one of those pens that leak while you're writing, and that's annoying.
Yes.
This is just perfect. I just want to say thank you to myself for telling Anna that she would like Inkybox and that she should subscribe to it. You're
Tina,
welcome.
thank you for convincing me to subscribe to Inkybox. And thank you, Inkybox.
You're welcome.
So I will show you now the black pen. So it's the exact same one, just a different color. And we have more still. What are these? So I think it's pronounced Faber-Castell.
Yeah, Faber-Castell. They have very beautiful pencil crayons, and they have a lot of watercolor brushes, but I've never seen markers.
Well, this felt tip or brush tip looks beautiful. Oh no! Marker cap down.
Mm-hmm.
We're just so professional here, dropping pen caps right, left, and center. So this one here, this color is dark chrome yellow. This one is so pretty.
Such a vibrant yellow.
I like when yellows stand out. I feel like that's
too.
a color that is too often ignored.
Yeah.
Like it's like they don't put the effort into making the yellow shine. Not shine, but
more
really
vibrant
come through.
and appealing.
It's almost, I don't want to say a mustard.
Does any of it bleed through the paper?
Oh, good question. Good. No, I feel like a little bit of the yellow might be.
No, not even. Like mini. Like
yeah, it's not really bleed through. It's just because it's white paper.
Yeah.
I feel like it's showing through.
No, that's really good. So now you know you can use it on Rhodia notebook or moleskin notebooks type of paper.
This one is called Cobalt Turquoise.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying over here.
I'll show this one.
I just want to touch it and play with it.
You will. I'm handing them
You're
handing
taking
them
too
over.
long.
Oh,
Oh, blue. That blue is like beautiful. Beautiful blue.
I need to practice with this type of brush pen. I've never tried this type of brush tip.
Yeah.
So this is very exciting for me.
Finally, gosh, it takes so long. Give me. I don't want to try it.
So there is the Cobalt Turquoise at the very bottom, which I think might be one of my favorites so far. But I still have 2 more. What are your thoughts, Tina? Oh my God, there's one hidden. There's another one in here.
Oh, I thought you knew that.
No, I didn't see that one. Okay. Oh man. Okay, so this one is Zig. Okay, I'm gonna screw up this name for sure. Fude Bayori Metallic. Maybe it'll be easier to see if I take it out.
Oh my God. If this is amazing, I'm buying the whole set because I know I've been looking at it and oh my gosh.
Well, this is good because now you can test it and see if it's really worth investing in. So far, I'm very happy with this box. If anyone has been thinking about buying this. So it's acid-free, archival quality, pigment ink, keep horizontal, made in Japan. Oh, that is beautiful.
Okay, just take a deep breath.
So, and I'll
You're being
show
overexcited, Tina.
the brand. Might be too much of a reflection.
Doesn't matter. It's beautiful. Like even the metallic gold on the pen is beautiful.
It is.
Stunning.
It is. Oh my goodness, Tina. Can you see from there?
Yes. No. What am I looking at? I want.
I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but it is a metallic color.
I want it.
And I'm showing you it with all of my flaws in my writing.
No flaws, just beauty.
Oh my goodness. Tina, you have to check out this pen.
Stop.
Tina does not like being teased when passing a pen.
The stationery, I mean business, girl.
So Tina already has a full set of these clean color dot pens, and I haven't had a chance to pick any up, but I have a red and a gray. And this is also from Zig.
I love Zig.
All right. Okay, so this one is the dot and the other and the fine side, and the fine side is 0.5 millimeters. So it almost looks
I already
like
have this one.
a miniature bingo dabber. Oof. I really like the gray. I didn't think I was going to like the gray.
Yeah, the gray's really nice.
So depending on the amount of pressure you put on the dot will affect how large the polka dot appears. And then I wrote hello with the, I guess should we just keep calling it a bingo dabber side with the dabber side?
Just the dabber
And
side.
then in the tip, that's what it looks like at the bottom. Hope that wasn't too shaky for you guys.
Did you know that I think I'll need to double check it, but I think it's either like Zebra or some other company like that
Yeah.
that has created their own dot pen or marker.
Like
I
a
wanna
rival?
test- Yeah. So I want to
Ooh.
test it out. Like I want to
Yes.
buy it. If it's one, I'll buy one. But it doesn't look like it's as cool as the Zig though. It's more of a flat circle than a round circle. The one that I saw.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the red. And again, I'm going to do
The
different.
red's pretty.
The
It's
red is really pretty.
Their colors are very bright and vibrant. I really like them.
I'm going to mix some in with the gray as well. What? This is really
You can
pretty.
do lettering with it too.
I don't know that I'm at that level. Like I know what you mean, and I can kind of see it a little bit depending on how I add the pressure. But I think if you're an experienced hand letter or calligrapher, or good at hand lettering, I should say, I think you could definitely do the thick and thin strokes.
Yeah.
I won't tease you on those ones. I'll just hand them to you.
Of course. She won't tease me on the ones I already have.
So I mixed the gray with the red at the top, and then that is the red different size polka dots with hello written on the thick dabber side, and then hello written with the 0.5 millimeter side.
Yeah.
So overall, Tina, I am crazy happy with my Inkybox. I'm checking to make sure I didn't miss any other pens. So that's a lot of pens for one box. I was not expecting a score like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pens. And so Inkybox has 2 different size boxes. There's a miniature one and then the full size one. I went for the full size one.
Did you say this is the full size one?
This is the full size one.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think that's why, because I don't know.
Yours was an envelope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think mine was a small, and I didn't realize that. Because
Yeah.
I think originally I got I'm so mad at myself.
Yeah. So basically 2 pens of each brand except for the one metallic pen, which is absolutely beautiful. Let us know in the comments. Do you guys like these brands? Do you want us to test out another subscription box because I may be hooked on subscription boxes now.
Great.
Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on all your post notifications.
Peace.
Oh, it's not showing. Maybe come in from the side.
Peace.